Okay, so objective number 4 then wants us to convert from particles or grams to particles. So now when you look at your two converters that you have on the helping hand or on the board, you see that you can't go right from particles to grams. That doesn't mean you can't do it. It just means you have to convert your particles to moles and then moles to grams, or your grams to particles, your grams to moles and then moles to particles. You just have to do two conversions. So how many atoms of gold would be found in 10 grams of AU? Exact same process. Write down what I've been given, 10 grams of AU, and now I want atoms of gold. So I can't set up a converter with atoms and grams, so I'll do the next best thing. I'll set up a converter with moles and grams, and I know that 1 mole of gold contains 196.97 grams. So I go ahead and find out how many moles I have, or some of you maybe just go ahead and put your second converter right on here, but I'm going to go ahead and get my moles first. So my grams of gold cancel, and I find out this is 0.0508 moles of gold. Well, now that I know how many moles I have, I can change that to particles because there's 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles or atoms in a mole of anything. So now when I take this times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, I come up with 3.06 times 10 to the 22nd atoms of gold. So what if you had 5.4 times 10 to the 24th atoms? How many grams would it be? Again, I write down my starting information, 5.4 times 10 to the 24th atoms. I see I can't go right to grams, but I can go to moles. So if I look up helium, I see it's 4.00 grams in a mole. I'm sorry, I can't do my grams yet. I just said that. Instead, I have to go to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, find out how many moles of helium this is. So this is 0.08, oh, I got that wrong. It's 8.97 moles of helium. And now I know there's 4 grams in 1 mole of helium. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply this by 4, and I can expect that to weigh 35.88 grams. So it's all about making units cancel. This was atoms down here, leaving me moles. Then my moles cancel, leaving me grams. So don't let a double conversion fool you or scare you off. Just follow the same process. Make your units cancel.